Honey, she is no longer on the menu, no longer being served, honey. They canceled her. She's canceled. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we are revisiting the Louis Vuitton 26 toiletry pouch, the Toiletry 26 pouch. I've had this bag for just about 10 months now. I could not wait to receive this bag when I ordered it, and I had stalked it on the Louis Vuitton website for months, and it was always unavailable or waitlisted, and I never was able to get one from the Louis Vuitton official website, so I ended up buying from these authentic designer resellers, and I did buy it pre-loved. It's in absolutely immaculate condition, so I didn't hesitate once I saw this one, and the price point was pretty good. Of course, I did pay a little more than I would pay from Louis Vuitton, but that just comes with buying things that are becoming a rarity. And right now, I don't know if you know this, but Louis Vuitton has discontinued the Toiletry 26 bag. I remember saying in my initial review that I just could see this bag being discontinued. It's like a classic staple bag. This is like almost everybody's first designer bag, aside from the Louis Vuitton pochette that comes with the little chain that you can wear under your arm. That was a lot of people's first piece from the brand, and so was this one, because this was one of the more affordable designer pieces that you can order, and of nice size. This is a pretty good size for the price point to be one of their cheaper bags, so that's why I could not see them discontinuing this beauty. I love it. Like I said, it is like a timelessly classic piece. OMG, I can't believe Louis Vuitton would do that. Why are you doing that to the girls, okay? We loved this bag, but shout out to everybody who was able to get one during those restock periods, but I guess that's when they were actually really fizzling out or stopping the production of this bag slowly but surely. But it has definitely been removed from the website. Everybody now is speculating their thoughts as to why. I'm not going to do any speculation. I'm just going to wait on Louis Vuitton, okay, to release a statement as to why. But I just think maybe just like some of the older bags, they just, you know, stop making them for whatever reason. But I just knew that this one was going to be one that just stuck around, you know, like the Speedy bag. That's never going anywhere. That's why I don't, let me not say that, because who knows, that could come out of production at any moment, I guess, too, but who knew? But this one is among one of my favorites in my authentic Louis Vuitton collection. I absolutely love this bag. A lot of people think, well, yeah, they just been so tired of everybody remixing this bag. I mean, I don't think they care about what you do with it once you've spent your coin on it. It's now your bag. But I love to see everybody adding that chunky gold chain to making it a shoulder bag, or adding some of the other Louis Vuitton straps to it, making it into a cross body bag. I thought that was just really, really cute and smart, okay? You're getting multiple uses out of this great bag. But yeah, there are conversion kits that you can order and inserts to turn it into, you know, both a shoulder bag or a crossbody bag. But this one's definitely one I feel like everybody should be owning in their designer collection. Definitely a staple piece. I love to carry this when I'm going to swanky restaurants for drinks and all that good stuff, when I'm wearing really, really like cute dresses or maybe jeans and heels, that type of thing. I love carrying my clutch bag. But yes, girl, that is it for me. So keep your eye out for this one if you see it reasonably priced, whether it's brand new or previously loved like mine. But yeah, snag this bag. You definitely want to have this one in your designer handbag collection, because girl, it is no longer on the menu, no longer being served, okay, at Louis Vuitton, okay? So yeah, don't miss out. Grab it while you can, especially if you see one in good condition. Definitely one to have in the collection. But that is it for me. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Click that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Until next time, I will see you in my next video, and there will definitely be another video. Bye.